Sound Manufacturing has taken the next step. They've moved. As a company who values a safe working environment, Sound has switched spaces to support its employees and foster open communication, trust, and respect in the workplace.
So our new space provides a much better layout than our previous space. We also wanted to own our own building so that we could secure the future of our organization. We made a lot of improvements to the building. The first thing we did was knock down a ton of walls. We created the new entryway to the building, new office space, and really wanted the building to be open, airy, collaborative, bright, and a fun and pleasant space for our employees to be. The biggest challenge to moving was scheduling the physical move of the equipment to minimize production downtime and to maintain the commitments to our customers. The punches, our largest pieces of equipment, take about 2 weeks to decommission and another 2 weeks to reassemble. What's so cool about our new building is how open it is and bright. We have a lot of skylights, open windows. We painted 350 gallons of white paint on the walls to make sure that it was clean and bright. We put in a kitchen and we make cookies and other snacks during the day that we can hand out to our team members, and those things all help boost morale and give a much more positive climate and environment in our building for our employees to work.
So what's cool about Sound Manufacturing?
Opportunity. Teamwork.
Empowering.
Creatividad.
Hands-on.
Effective.
Dedicación.
Challenging.
Partnership. Stimulating.
Exciting.
Responsabilidad.
Demanding. Efficient.
Comunidad.